there is a fundamental issue with the entire cybersecurity market. It's based on one premise: data cannot protect itself. And that is exactly what Keyavi Data has solved. You can now be sure that data can not only protect itself no matter where it goes and how it works, it is able to aid the business and help the business grow and give the business visibility into how data is used, how data works, how data is interacting with your customers, your clients, your ecosystem and operations. But at the same time, it's making sure that it's completely under your control no matter where it goes in perpetuity. That is resilience. That is about enabling the business and changing the basic paradigm. We're not worried about data is vulnerable and open to loss. That is no longer a problem. Now data is intelligent, it's self-aware, it's self-protecting, and it's part of your business growth as opposed to part of the risk to the business. A complete diametric change as to what people think of when they think about data usage. Let your business use data the way it's meant to be, because data is allowing itself to be part of the conversation as opposed to being part of the attack surface. Let data become an ally for you as opposed to a risk.